was a bitter disappointment that Kawasaki didn't bring the track-only H2R to the party of speed we threw for it at NAS level. But we must nonetheless honor this force-fed 326 claimed HP monster for the sheer audacity it represents and the very real performance we experienced at the bike's introduction in Qatar. This is Superbike with a capital S and the most intense motorcycle we've ever ridden. And while this blown bad bike might not come with a cape, it does have wings. If it doesn't blow your socks off, your boots are too damn tight.